Welcome students to GS Maths once again. Today I am going to start a very important topic of plus 2 class, that is indefinite integrals. This chapter is very important from examination point of view, whether you are preparing for JEE Mains or ND or any other competitive exam. Now to start with, what is indefinite integral? Indefinite integral is just antiderivative, or we call it as primitives, and it is written as integral. This is a symbol of integral fx function, integral of a function with respect to x, that is dx. We read this as integral of a function fx with respect to x. Now in this chapter also, trigonometric identities will be used, their formulas will be used, their concepts will be used, like just cos 2 theta. This is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We will use the appropriate formula wherever necessary. So that's why I keep on repeating the words key. Please do remember these identities throughout. Even in differentiation we did, these were applied. Even now in indefinite integrals, we will use these identities. Moreover, cos 2 theta is also equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. This can also be used wherever we require it. This can also be used. 1 minus of tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. That means what I mean to say, just go through these trigonometric identities, even CD formulas, even transformation formulas, A, B, sin A, B is 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, and so on, so that it makes your chapter easy. Now to start with, I will write few formulas of integrals. The first one is, before I write the formulas, you must know 2-3 properties of logarithms also. Say if I write e raised to power log of x, this is also equal to x. This is same as x. Its base is e. Now, if it is a log this x, then this is again equal to x. It's the one and the same thing. A raised to power log of x to the base a, e raised to power log of x to the base e. If it is written like this, e raised to power 3 log e dx, then we will first write e log base x, this is x cube. A log of x cube to the base e raised to power, this is simply x cube. These will also be used while integrating a given function. Now I will write down the formulas. Formula number 1, that is called the power rule. It is integral, the first formula, xn dx. Integral of x to the power n dx is xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This c is constant of integration. Constant of integration. This is a must, and it must be written every time. You can use some other alphabet, say plus k or some other alphabet, but this should be written in case of indefinite integrals. Now question number, the second formula is e to the power x dx. This is e dx plus constant of integration. Third formula is a to the power x dx. It is a to the power x divided by log of a to the base e plus c. Fourth is 1 dx. It's x plus c. Now, I used the term antiderivative. What does this mean? Derivative of x. This is 1. When you integrate this, derivative means antiderivative. X equals to integral of 1 with respect to x. That means integral of 1 with respect to x is x plus c. It is antiderivative. Similarly over here, derivative of a to the power x was a the power x into log of a to the base e. Bring this log a to the base e this side, then integrate both sides, so you will get the required answer. Right? Now, fifth one is we have 1 upon x dx. This is log of x plus c. Log x का derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x का integral is log x plus c. These are some basic formulas which will be used in integration along with some properties of the logarithms. Now, let us try a few questions. Now, the first one is question number 1. It is dx upon ax into b the power x. A the power x into b the power x. It's in the denominator. Now what we can do is integrate dx upon ab. I can write like this. This is ab raised to power minus x dx. Now I will use this formula. A the power x dx is equal to a the power x divided by log of a to the base e plus c. This is a the power x. A the power x divided by log of a to the base e. But here the coefficient of x is minus 1. So we have to divide by minus 1 also and plus constant of integration. As I can modify this formula, a the power 2x dx, it can be a the power 2x divided by log of a to the base e. What is the coefficient of x? That is 2. 2 plus. This is the formula which I have used. This was a the power minus x. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 1. So I divided by minus 1, I get the required answer. Now, the next question I would like to do is this. Do go through the formulas. Do go through the trigonometric identities. ठीक है? Subsequently they will be used. Now, question is integrate 3 power log x to the base 3 dx. Now I will make use of the property of log. Let me rewrite this as log of x square to the base 3 dx. Right? Now I told you a raised to power log of x to the base a. This is simply x. Now what will happen? A raised to power log of x to the base a. This is simply x square dx. Use the first formula, that is the power rule. It becomes x n plus 1, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. That is x cube by 3 plus c. I have used this formula, x n dx. This is x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. I have used the first formula. X raised to power n dx equals to x n plus m divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now, the next sum, even we know this, log of x to the base x, this is 1. Now, question can be log of x to the base x, just integrate it. I know log of x to the base x is 1. So, integral of 1 dx is simply x. I have to write plus c also, the constant of integration. Now, let me do one sum in which trigonometric identity can be used. Question is, right, it is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. It's under the root. Now, 1 plus cos 2x का formula, I have cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 So 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So I can write this as under root of 2 cos square x divided by 2. So what happens? Under root 2 upon 2, the constant comes outside. Let me write dx over here. It is integral of cos x dx. Now another formula comes up. Number 1 formula, integral sin x dx. It is minus cos x plus c. Second is integral cos x dx. It is sin x plus c. It's again antiderivative. Sin x का derivative is cos x. Cos x का derivative is minus sin x. So that's why integral of cos x is sin x plus c. So I will write here as 1 upon under root 2. Under root 2 upon 2 is 1 by under root 2. Integral of cos x is sin x plus c. This is the answer. I have used the identity that 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. These identities will help in solving many problems in this chapter. They will make the sums very easy and solvable, right? Now, this question also, it's a good one. E raised to power, integrate e raised to power 5 log x to the base e minus e raised to power, here it is 6, here it is 5 log x to the base e divided by e 4 and 3, right? E 4 and here it is 3 log e to the base x. This is dx. Now integral, I can write this as e raised to power log of x6 minus e raised to power log of x to the power 5 divided by e raised to power log of this minus e raised to power log of 3 dx. Now again, what is e raised to power log of x6 to the base e? It's simply x to the power 6. It is simply x to the power 5. It's x4. It's x cube dx. Now what is happening? I can take out x to the power 5 common from here. I am left with x minus 1. I can take out x cube from here. It's x minus 1 dx. This cancels out. I get x to the power square dx. It is x cube by 3 plus. This is the result which I get. This is the answer, x cube by 3 plus c. What I have used? I have used this property key. E raised to power log of this is simply x. Right? I have used this fact. X to the power 6, x to the power 6. It's x to the power 5 over here. It becomes x to the power 4. It becomes x to the cube over here. I take out x to the power 5 common. I take out x to the cube common, so it cancels out x here. That is x cube by 3 plus c is the required answer. Now, more results, more formulas. Let me write few more formulas for you. Remember these formulas, they will be applied. Without these, you just cannot go an inch. Now, I wrote these. Sin x dx. Integral is cos x minus cos x plus c. Second one is cos x dx. Its integral is sin x plus c. Third, now it is secant square x dx. I know tan x derivative is secant square x. So integral of secant square x is tan x. plus c. Fourth one is integral of cosecant square x. Cosecant square x dx. Cot x का derivative is minus cosecant square x, so I can write it as minus cot x plus c. Thus, now next one is secant x tan x. Secant x tan x dx. I know the derivative of secant x is secant x tan x, so integral of secant x tan x will be secant x plus c. Right? These are few formulas. More formulas, you have to make a list of them and just do remember them. Now, to write these also, formula is say secant x dx. It is log of secant x plus tan x plus c. This is integral of secant x. Similarly, integral of cosecant x is cosecant x minus cotangent x. Cosecant x dx, its integral is log of cosecant x minus cotangent x plus c. Now, we will try a few questions on it based on these formulas, right? Yes. Now, question number 1. Just integrate tan square x dx. Now, we cannot use the power rule over here. I cannot write its integral is tan cube x upon 3. No, it will be wrong. So what I can do is, I don't have integral of tan square x. So use the identity secant square x minus 1 is tan square x. Use this identity. What will happen? In place of this, I will write secant square x minus 1 dx, integral of secant square x dx minus 1 dx. So what is integral of secant square x? Tan x minus what is integral of 1? That is x plus c. And if you don't remember the identities of trigonometry, we just cannot solve this sum. It's a very simple sum. It becomes very simple sum when you use this identity. In place of tan square x, I can write secant square x minus 1. So I wrote and integrated, I get tan x minus x plus c. 1 integral is x. Secant square ka integral is tan x plus c. C is a constant of integration. Now, yeah, this one is a very good sum. It is integrate cos x minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. Now, how can we do this question? It is cos x minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. Now, this is, I again have to use the identity cos x as it is minus, I can write cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos x dx. What happens now? Cos x, open the brackets, 2 cos square x plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos x. Take out the negative sign common from here so that it becomes 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos x dx. Now just split this term. So what I get? Minus 2 cos square x minus, I can write this as 2 cos x plus cos x minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos x dx. Now negative, I can take 2 cos x common. In brackets I get cos x minus 1 plus 1 cos x minus 1. It is 1 minus cos x over here. Just absorb the sign inside. I can write this as cos x minus 1 dx. It's one and the same thing. The negative sign goes over here, it becomes cos x minus 1. So I get 2 cos x plus 1 only, because cos x minus 1 in the numerator cancels out with cos x minus 1 in the denominator. So I can now integrate this. It is 2 cos x. Its integral is sin x plus integral of 1 is x plus c. This is the required answer. What we did, cos 2x की जगह पे we wrote 2 cos square x minus 1, opened the brackets, right, like this. Then just took out the minus sign out of here, split the middle term, make factors of it. There was a minus sign over here. I changed this into cos x minus 1. I get the required result. 2 is a constant, taken out. Integral of cos x is sin x plus 1's integral is x plus c. This is the required answer. Now, the last question of today's lecture. It's again a very important question and a very good one. Again and again, trigonometric identities will be used, right? You have to go through them again, remember them, and see to it they are applied in one way or the other, so as to make your question easy. It is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Right? Now, cos 2x. This can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of, again cos 2 alpha. I am using the formula cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now I can write this as 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. It is, when you open up brackets, it is minus 1, minus minus becomes plus 1, they cancel out. I am left with 2 cos square x minus cos square alpha, 2 is common from here, divided by cos of x minus cos alpha dx. 2 is a scalar, I take it out. Only thing is cos square x minus cos square alpha. What I do is, I make factors of it, a plus b into a minus b. I am left with only this thing, because the other factor cancels with the denominator. Now we have to integrate this. Most common mistake which the students will make here is this. 2 integral of cos x, it's sin x, plus 2, everybody will say, sir, it's a sin alpha. No, it's not sin alpha, because cos alpha is a constant, like just like 2. We are integrating with respect to x. So what will happen? I take out the constant 2 cos alpha dx, and in place of dx, that is 1 dx, I can write 2 sin x plus 2 cos alpha multiplied by x plus c, because integral of 1 is x. This is the result. Maximum number of students will commit a mistake over here. That is, sir, integral of cos alpha is simply sin alpha. No, we are integrating with respect to x. So we treat this cos alpha as a constant. We take it out. So 2 cos alpha is out. 1 the integral is x. We get the net result. Now students, again I am saying, go through the trigonometric identities, right? Go through the formulas of integration and try to solve as many sums as you can based on the concept which I have told you in this lecture. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel GS Maths. I will make your indefinite integrals very, very simple, I promise. Thanks.